welcome back to my channel. This is Modesty33 here, aka Crystal with the C, back at you with another video. But if you're new to my channel, you just happen to click on, welcome. I try to put out 1 or 2 videos a week. I do sit downs, reviews, reactions, vlogs. So if any of that interests you, make sure you check out the prior videos on my channel. And if you see anything you like before you leave, make sure you subscribe. So today, you guys, I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm really excited about this unboxing. So I'm going to call this, my birthday bag unboxing. Today is actually Wednesday, June 12th, 2019, and my birthday is actually June 16th, which is going to be Father's Day. So yep, that's going to be my birthday, and I'll be 35. So I never really understood why people are ashamed to say their age. I don't know, I guess it's one of those things where, I don't know. I don't want to get too deep into that, but yeah, I'll be 35, my birthday on Sunday, and I have here that I just got in the mail, my birthday bag. So really excited. I want to show you guys, and but let me show you real quickly the bag that I've been wearing for the past day. The past few days I've had to do visits because I'm actually going to be going on leave for work in the next few days, and I'll be on leave for a little over a week, just to hang out, chill, celebrate birthday, all that jazz. So yeah, I just have been in a time crunch to try to get everything done. But yeah, the past few days I've been kind of traveling for work and trying to get everything done. So my good little travel bag the past day has been my Louis Vuitton Pochette Matisse in the Empreinte leather, the color Cherise. So I did wear this bag out yesterday. It was awesome crossbody. Really, really easy kind of get up and go type of bag. I am going to be kind of including this bag in another upcoming video, so be on the lookout for that. But just kind of wanted to show you guys real quickly the bag I used the past day. Before that, I used my Palm Springs Mini per usual. They're both awesome bags and good travel bags, good get up and go bags. So this bag I'm happy to have now. So let me go ahead and unbox this for you guys, and we'll talk about the story with this one. So I just got it through FedEx, came in this box. And this is, me and you both seeing the bag now. Cause let's see. I hate to, hold on, let me see if I can. Yeah, it's just got all this paper and stuff, you guys. So you're not missing anything, but let me put it up so y'all can see. Let me move that little paper out the way. I'm gonna move this out the way, and comes in this little, little bag here. Let me see what's good. Okay, this is this is like a drawstring bag. So let me undo this real quick. So I just want to make sure y'all can see. Okay, and then there's some paper that's around it. And let us undo the paper. I don't know where I want to start from. They did really wrap it very well, so kudos to you. And oh, all this garbage everywhere. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all. I have to try to clean up as I go. To reveal. Oh, that's the back side. Okay. Let me show you the front end. Oh my gosh. I just cannot do all this with one hand, y'all. Oh, you're so gorgeous. If you don't know by now, yeah. Ta-da! My birthday bag. So if you thought I bought a new bag, you were sadly mistaken. No, your girl not buying no more bags. Not at this moment in time. We don't have the budget for it. We got some other things on my mind. So if you did not know, if your first time tuning in, this is actually a bag I already own. This is my Chanel Jumbo double flap silver hardware caviar leather. I did a video I think last month, but essentially I had to take this bag into the Neiman Marcus boutique for repair. I was having an issue with the stitch on the back, and it does definitely look like it was repaired. Essentially, this stitch right here, you're not going to be able to see it. I'm sorry, you guys, it's been raining intermittently for the past week essentially here. So We have periods of sunlight. We have periods where, yeah, like essentially it's just kind of overcast like it is now. So I do apologize about that, but I just want to kind of show you guys the bag because I was definitely going to be unboxing this today. Did not care. So I just want to go ahead and do the video. But yeah, so essentially the stitch right here had popped out. And so the flaps were kind of separating. These stitches right here are important because they keep both of the flaps for the double flap together for the bag. So one of them had popped, and so I took it to Neiman Marcus. And when I talked to the lady at the boutique, she essentially told me that, you know, they would go ahead and repair it. Of course, it would be free of charge. I just got this bag in October. She apologized profusely, and she told me that the bag first had to go to, I think, California for evaluation, and then it would be sent to France for repair. She said it would probably be put in the queue of repairs, and she told me, yeah, that those repairs take about 2 months. So I'm very happy that it did not take 2 months because I actually called last Thursday, I think, actually, to check and see the status of the bag because I was really like missing my bag. And I was like, oh, I hope it doesn't take 2 months. I really was wanting this bag back for my birthday on Sunday. And so, yeah, let me turn it back around. I'm gonna show y'all the inside and everything later because we're looking at this again together, evaluating, you know, the repair of this bag. So, but yeah, so I was really sad about it because I was like, man, I really want this bag for my birthday. And so, I did call last Thursday, call the repair line. They give you a order number and then they give you the phone number for the repair line, I think, which is out of Florida is what she said. So I did call Thursday and she told me that actually they had shipped the bag back to me. So you have the option of either getting it shipped to you or it can be shipped to the boutique. I didn't know when I was going to be back in Charlotte, North Carolina, which is the nearest Chanel boutique to me, which is in the Neiman Marcus. So I didn't want to have to drive there to go pick up the bag. So I told them they could ship it to my address. And what I ended up doing since I've been traveling the past few days, and when I looked up the tracking number, they said that the bag was going to arrive on Monday. I went ahead through FedEx.com and did a vacation hold. I did not want to risk because you do have to sign for this. Of course, it's an expensive, you know, package to come back to me. So, I did do a vacation hold with FedEx, so they did not deliver. They didn't do any delivery attempts yesterday or Monday, so I wanted to make sure I was home when this did arrive. So yes, it came about 5 o'clock, so I missed the gym. That's why I'm in my gym clothes, but I was supposed to be going to the gym, and I thought it was going to come earlier, so, but it did not. So I did miss the gym, but I did not miss my package, so that was what was most important. So yeah, I did just get it a little while ago. And let's go ahead and look at it, you guys. So that's kind of essentially the totality of the story. May no other story besides that. It just had a pop stitch. I want to make sure it got repaired before it got any worse. And that's what the lady at the boutique said as well. So if we open up the bag here, go ahead and see. And I'm sorry, y'all not going to be able to really see this very clearly. But I do see where they put like a little felt here in between the two flaps. And so let me take that out. We will be keeping that. And so let me just look at this real quick. So yeah, I definitely can tell where the repair is. I'm sorry, y'all not going to be able to see. But let me kind of put... Yeah, I believe that they actually probably tightened both stitches. It definitely looks like it's in there. So, but yeah, I wasn't really putting anything in this flap except for like wet ones. So it was something relatively flat. So it wasn't like I was stacking coins or anything in that flap because it's not really a usable flap like that. So I made sure I didn't put anything thick. So it really shouldn't have popped just with, you know, my wet ones. It wasn't like they were baby wipes or anything, you know, they're really thin. So, and it could have just been going in and out of the bag and just kind of the tension. So I don't know, but yeah, it looks like it's in there pretty tight, and they did button that second flap. So this is what the interior looks like, in case, you know, you haven't watched the 1001 videos on YouTube about Chanel double flaps. So everything, in my opinion, looks good. So I'm very happy that I was able to get this bag back for my birthday. Okay, and I see how they, actually, I didn't even notice that before, that like actually Well, I think it was like that before. Yeah, it was, where it's like essentially the stitch goes in and it kind of covers, it's kind of attached to the leather here. Yeah, I'm not probably gonna be able to see that, but this is kind of where the stitch kind of attaches to. So that's pretty cool. I didn't notice that before. But everything with the bag to me looks good anyway. So again, very happy to have it back. It looks gorgeous. And yeah, it's my birthday bag. It is. I was glad to get this one back in my hands and in my life for my birthday. Definitely will be wearing this one out during my time of vacation. And so that's pretty much it, you guys. I just want to kind of unbox that with you and show you guys. But I will be showing this bag in more videos to come. Probably going to be trying to film a few videos once we get some light back. I do have a few video ideas. I am going to go ahead and put those in the works. And because, again, like I am going to be on vacation and all you guys, I probably will maybe I probably won't be doing a lot of filming during that time, but I will still try to upload videos. So I'm gonna try to pre-record some things. So if things seem a little off with the timeline, just know that that's probably why. I'm just gonna be pre-recording and then releasing as I can. So I thank you guys again so much for watching. Hopefully you did enjoy this unboxing of a bag that is now back in my collection and I can put back in my closet. Oh, I missed you. So if you have any questions, make sure you do comment below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you do give it a thumbs up. Make sure you do share it with anyone else too who's wanting to know anything about the Chanel repair process. I had a positive experience. It was done a lot quicker than I thought, and everything for me looks to be intact. So I'll let you guys know and keep you updated as I continue to use the bag if I notice any other issues. But again, if you have not already subscribed, make sure you do that. You do that again by hitting the red button below and hitting the bell next to it so you're notified when I do upload featured videos. So again, you guys, thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.